Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. All right, so today we want to talk about free airdrop, ADA 2.0 free airdrop. So ADA 1.0 has come before and it's already on in market. ADA one has been listed in market. That is with the 1.0 version has come and came and it has been listed. And as you can see, this is coin market cap. It has been traded on Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, Gate.io. So this coin has been trading there. All right. So now this guy might want to do Cardano 2.0. Right. So they want there's a now free giveaway for this stuff right now. So this is the link to that giveaway, right? This is the link to that giveaway. And when the coin is going to be listed on PancakeSwap on 31st of December, that's next month. And the per token is going to be $8. It's going to be listed at $8 per token, right? So it's going to be listed. So now let's go and so how you're going to claim it. You just need to copy the link. This link is going to be under this information, right? All this information is going to be inside my group. And if you're inside my group, you don't have any problem. You just copy there and make use of it. Then if you're not there, you can join my group. Then this information is going to be under the description, in the description section of under this video, right? So now all you need to do is just to copy this airdrop link. Once you copy the airdrop link, then make sure that you have a small fund on your Trust Wallet. You can only do this on Trust Wallets. Make sure that you have some money there, right? Then all you do right here is just to come to the DApp. You go to DApp right here. Once you click on DApp, then you're gonna paste the link right there, right? So you're gonna paste the link right there on that. All right, so I just posted the right links now. So this is the Cardano 2.0, right? So this Cardano 2.0, the first thing you're gonna do right here after you have posted the link is just to come to this place. You see, I have to change that icon. You have to change it back to Smart Chain right here. So it's loading, beautiful. So now, so you can just go through as I always tell you, you can just go through the platform to see what they have, the project, how it's gonna go be. Then you just try to scroll down to see their Telegram. So you're gonna join their Telegram right here. So you see as they're posting the information about their token, about their token, their project. So you'll be seeing it right there, right? So then now I want to go and claim my airdrop. So you're gonna click on claim airdrop 2.0 right here. So you're gonna scroll down. So you're gonna click just 10. They're giving out just 10 token, right? So you're gonna click on that 10 token. So you're gonna connect it. So it has been connected, right? So you're gonna click on connect. All right, so it has been done successfully. So right now, it's going to send Trust Wallet is going to send alert that we just so as you can see, they just sent alert that the transaction has been executed successfully. Then what I'm going to do next is just to come to this place right here. So you're going to see the contract address right here. So what you do is just copy the contract address, just copy the contract address, and you're going to go back to this place. Then you're going to move back home. Then you're going to come to these two lines right here, right? So you're going to click on it. Then you're going to scroll down. So you're going to see add custom token right here. Just click on add custom token. You're going to change this Ethereum DAT to Smart Chain, right? You're going to change, then you're going to click on paste because you've already copied the contract address from that place. So you're going to pop up like this. Then what you do next is going to click on done right here. So you're going to show how many tokens that you just got, right? So that is how you're going to claim this free airdrop. So if you like, you can claim it as you like, maybe 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. It depends on you. Remember that you're going to pay transaction fee to Trust Wallet when you want to get this free token, right? So guys, if you like, you can also share the link with your friends as well, right? can share the link with your friend as well. Right, so then if you want to share the link with your friend, all you need to do is just to, you can see copies right here. So you just click on that copy, then you're going to go back right here, click on this link under the DApp. That is, if you want to tell your friends about it. So because if you tell your friends about this, you're going to when your friend receive 10 ADA 2.0 token, you are going to receive 7 if you tell anybody, right? So you just scroll down. You need to scroll down. So you want to see where you can see. So you're going to put your Rivera, that's your wallet right here, your BP wallet that you just copy from Trust Wallet right now. I'm going to paste it right here. So once you paste it right there, you're going to click on Get Ref Link. So you're going to copy. So you're going to say, okay. So that is, if you want to tell a friend about it. So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Thank you for watching my video every time. And if you are new to this channel, this is Adeyemi Oluwaseun's channel, where we show you different opportunities, either free or paid, all right, to make money for yourself, especially about free airdrop. That is, if you don't want to invest much on much of the money on cryptocurrency, but you want to be getting it for free, so you can just subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop content, so no YouTube will notify you that I didn't just drop another content to this channel. All right, so remember, if you send it to like 10 friends, 20 friends, if you have 10 friends, 20 friends, just tell them, and they are using Android, it doesn't spend, all they need to do is just to have token to pay for the transaction fee on Trust Wallet, right? So, and if you don't, even though if they don't know how to install the Trust Wallet, you can just teach them, because if you, I will not imagine if they claim 10 and you get 7 because you tell them about this free token, free airdrop, and you also get them. Remember, when this thing get listed at $8, right? So it's gonna be like 8 multiplied by 7, $56. Imagine if you have 10 friends, if you tell 20 friends, if you tell 30 friends, 40, 50, 100, right? So you can share it with your friends on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Facebook, anyway. Tell your friends about it so you earn more, so that you accumulate more, even though if you don't really have much. But you cannot just be sharing it without claiming at all. You cannot sharing it without claiming. If you are just sharing it without claiming yours, they won't give you anything. So you must claim yours before you tell your friends about it. That is one thing about airdrop, guys. So that is it now. So you can also do your own research about this airdrop very well. You can also do your own research about this airdrop very well. You can see that it's gonna very soon it's gonna be listed on Pancake Swap, right? And for those of you that used to ask me, can I withdraw airdrop immediately I claim this? I don't say that you can claim your free airdrop immediately. It must get listed on market before you will be able to trade it back to BNB, all right, and withdraw it to, then you can have turn it to cash and take it out, right? So, but immediately you claim it right now, if they are not in market, how do you want to withdraw? How do you want to, it's not possible that way. So thank you very much. I remain Adeyemi Oluwaseun.